Hey there YouTube, welcome back to my channel, Mikey speaking. Today I have a video from you on BATON, ROUGE, Louisiana, and this request was actually from Monica Arc Healer. I didn't find too much information as far as a lot of programs that are offered by Louisiana, unfortunately, but I did find a few, and also the website wasn't exactly detailed in their explanation on how these programs work, and I'm sorry about that, but I pulled all the information I can. I also called but couldn't get a response. So I would say call at your earliest convenience or visit their offices. Contact a lender that's part of their approval list and they can probably provide you with a lot more information. So keep in mind, if I'm wrong on anything I'm saying, I am sorry, but I am going to be making some guesses on how these programs work and providing you the information I did find on their websites. Anyways, let's bring you over to the computer. Now here goes Louisiana. This information I did pull for the county that you requested, which BATON ROUGE, sorry if I'm saying it wrong. And here goes the phone number and the toll-free number as well as the fax. It'll also be in the description below. Now, quick information on the Bank of America program that I like to speak of. It's not offered for this state at all. I could not find it, unfortunately, and I am sorry. So first, you have the MRB program. You do have to be a first-time home buyer and meet the local requirements, have a 640 credit score, and covers your down payment and closing costs up to 5 and 9%. And according to their website, it's saying as needed. So it depends on your financial situation. All right, going here, you have to have a income limit, so you can't go over 44,000 for the yearly income, and by every person you add to your family, I think it stops at 5, it adds another $6,000 ish to your income limit. So if you have kids, it adds another 6,000 per kid for your limit. And these numbers were given as of 2020, so inflation has hit. I would say we're in 2022 now. That number more than likely increased. I hope it increased, so it includes a lot more people. Has interest rates below market level and looks like a grant. This is the part where I'm saying I'm guessing. They speak of nothing about a loan, and the way they speak of this is actually them giving you a loan as well, but I'm not 100% sure on that. But it is not a grant, or it looks like it's a grant. It doesn't look like it's a loan to me. I called them and no one answered, so I couldn't get responses whether it was a grant or not, unfortunately. Mortgage Revenue Bond Assistance Program is the next one. You must be a first-time home buyer, except for targeted areas where they don't mind if you're not a first-time home buyer. Meet local income requirements, 640 credit score. A lot of these are going to be the same. Help up to 4% of the mortgage amount. Reduced interest rates on conventional loans, $271,000, a little bit more. Purchase price limit. And from what I was reading from this program, this is one of the programs that it seems like, to my knowledge, they're actually giving you the loan itself. So they're helping you overall with reducing the interest, 4% of the mortgage amount, which sounds like a grant to me, or a non-payable loan, refundable loan, however they want to word it, possibly. Not 100% sure. Sorry if this information is wrong. And they actually cover the full amount of the loan. That's the reason they should be able to reduce the interest rate. Again, could be wrong, but that's what I'm understanding. Family income must not exceed $78,500 for 2 people, 3 people or more, $90,000. The market rate GNMA program is a competitive 30-year fixed rate. I'm like 99% sure this one is a loan. That's why I put loan with this program, because they actually talk about bringing down your interest rate. 1 unit only. You can't use it to buy a duplex, triplex, or quadplex. 115% of the AMI. You can't be over that. 640 credit score, and they assist up to 4%. Again, they don't say if that 4% is a loan or a grant, but normally, like every program I've reviewed so far, if it's a loan, it specifically says loan, and more than not, it says the terms of the loan. This one doesn't say anything. And the last one I ran into that just said something very similar to this, like 3% assistance. It was a grant. So, all right, next is the Delta 100 program. Again, quick reminder, all the links will be down below. provide up to 100% financing. So this one's 100% a loan. Provides up to 100% financing and 3% closing costs and prepayment assistance to eligible buyers. You do have to apply for this program, make sure that you qualify, and they'll help you with that. Again, to my understanding, that 3% is a grant, not a loan. Must complete the educational course. This is my favorite part. 2% fixed interest rates, but the house must be in Delta parishes. So, and for you, I don't know, for the person I'm making this video for, I don't know if this applies to you, but I also like that it's 2% interest. They help you with 3% of closing costs and 100% financing. So it's like, this is a great program for a first-time home buyer. There are a lot of conditions and they're telling you where the house must be, but it's still pretty interesting. So I wanted to include it in here. This last program isn't a mortgage assistance program, but I still liked it. And it does qualify for your area. Mortgage Credit CERT Program. In specific areas, it actually allows you to use up to 40% or $2,000, whichever is less, to claim as a tax credit. So so normally, like when I pay my mortgage at the end of the year, I get my paperwork back and my interest is tax deductible. For this program, 40% or $2,000, whichever is less, is actually a tax credit you can write off at the end of the year, which is, in my opinion, absolutely amazing. And you can do this for the life of the loan, but the condition is as long as you're living in it or still own the property, obviously. That sums up your county, Baton Rouge, Louisiana. Unfortunately, there wasn't more programs. I am so sorry about that. Bank of America does not offer their assistance in your state, but there's still some programs out there. I wish they provided more information on the websites, but all that information that I found, the links, the phone number, and everything will be in the description. So I say take a look at that and give them a call. See if you qualify for these programs. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this video. If you know anyone in that county, please share this with them. It'd be a great help for them to get this information. As well as you happen to know anyone else in any other county or state, I'd be happy to review your county and state and what programs are available to you or your specific situation. There's programs out there for people with disabilities in any state in Florida. I was going to say in Florida, in any state in the United States. So please keep that in mind. Like and share if you like this video, and subscribe if you don't mind. I'd greatly appreciate it. Anyways, till the next video, hope you have a good one. Bye.